Hello everyone, hope you all are in good health. I have designed an home automation system which serves three main basic functionality. As seen in the diagram, I have used three sensors respectively. First is the PIR sensor, second ultrasonic distance sensor, and third is the gas sensor. Now let's see at the working of all these sensors. Let's have a look at the working of the first sensor, that is PIR sensor. PIR sensor works in following way. Whenever there is any object in front of the PIR sensor, it lights up the bulb accordingly. An LDR acts as the heart of this system, especially for the PIR sensor. The light falling on the LDR determines whether the bulb should remain on and off. Here we will see how a PIR sensor works. There are three connections made to PIR sensor. One is connected to ground, another connection is connected to 5 volt, as we can see here, 5 volt pin of Arduino, and third is connected to D8 pin. D8 stands for digital 8 pin of Arduino. As I have said before, LDR acts as the heart of the system. We will start the simulation. Let's look at the light falling on the LDR first. Yeah, it is minimum. Whenever an object, as we can see here, we have placed an object in front of PIR sensor in its range, then the bulb lights up. I have coded it to glow for 5 seconds. So as we can see in the code, the delay is 5000, that is 5000 milliseconds, which stands for 5 seconds. I have considered the use of this system in toilets or washrooms, specifically public toilets or washroom, where we do not need the bulb to glow for a long time, so that we can save the electricity. We can set it to 1 to 5 minutes accordingly as per your preference. After starting the simulation, the bulb will glow for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, it will turn off automatically. This application can also be used in street lights. As I have said, the LDR acts as the heart of the system. Whenever light falling on the LDR is high, as I have set the brightness to high level, the bulb will not glow. A high level brightness to high level means that the light falling on the LDR is intense in case of sunlight. So the bulb should not glow. We can also use this application as a street light. As the light falling on the LDR is low, at night times the bulb will glow, as you can see. This saves electricity and manual work of a person going to switch on and off the lights. Many a times the light remains on also at the daytime. By using this application, we can save electricity. This application has a lot of uses. We can use it in home automation system as I have designed here, also in street lights and in public toilets or washrooms. The next sensor I have used here is ultrasonic distance sensor. The output of the ultrasonic distance sensor is displayed on LED RGB. LED RGB is a special type of LED having 4 terminals. First terminal is for red, second is for cathode, which is connected to the ground pin, third terminal is for blue, and the last is for green. We will start the simulation. Whenever any object is close to the sensor, that is when it is close to the door, then the color will be red. If it is in the mid range, then the color will go to blue. When the user is at the farthest, then the bulb will glow green. The bulb changes its color as the object changes its distance. We can change the color and the distance of the LED RGB. Here I have set the color to red when the inches is less than 20. Here we see if the inches is less than 20, then digital write red high, that is the red color will glow high. If the inches is greater than 70, then green will be high. If the inches is greater than 20 and less than 70, then blue will be high, that is in the mid range. Let us also have a look at the serial monitor part. For this purpose, we will need to start the simulation. Okay, so It displays what action should be taken by the user. When the distance is 14, it also displays the distance in centimeter, that is 37, when the user should open the door. It displays door should be open and the distance of anyone from the door. Ultrasonic distance sensor has lot of applications in the field of IoT. In my case, I have used it for the purpose of locking and unlocking a door and detecting the presence of a user and its distance from the door. Now let's have a look at the gas sensor. In this case, I have used three types of display, that is LCD, buzzer and LEDs. The buzzer alerts by ringing an alarm. The LCD shows the messages such as save and alert or evacuate, and the LED goes from green to red or red to green. We have used a gas sensor MQ135. MQ135 senses gases like ammonia, nitrogen, oxygen, alcohols, aromatic compounds, sulfide, and smoke. It can be implemented to detect smoke, as in our case, and benzene, steam, and other harmful gases. It has the potential to detect different harmful gases. Let's start the simulation and have a look at the working. As the gas was previously close to the sensor, the LED was glowing red, the buzzer is ringing, and it is showing the message of alert. When the gas is away from the sensor, the LED is green, buzzer is off, and it is showing the message of safe. I have kept the message to alert and evacuate with a delay of 1000 milliseconds, that is 1 second. The message keeps on changing after every 1 second. In the else case, I have put safe and all clear, as we can see here. The buzzer is connected to analog pins of the Arduino. LCD display is connected to digital pins of the Arduino. A gas detector is a device that detects the presence of a gas in an area. It is often a part of safety system. I have designed this home automation system considering the safety of a house. A gas detector can sound an alarm, as I have used buzzer in this case, to operate in the area where the leak is occurring, giving the users an opportunity to leave or also take the necessary precaution. I have designed the home automation system taking in account the handicapped people as well. I have used an LCD display with a buzzer so that deaf people, that is handicapped people, will get the message of what to do at what time, and LED is also added for safety measures. In the same way, for ultrasonic distance sensor, I have used an LED RGB which tells the user where is the person and at what distance is the person from the door, and to and what actions to take. It displays green when the person is far away from the door and red when it is near to the door. The home automation system has a lot of advantages. It manages all of your home devices from one place. The convenience factor in case of this home automation system is enormous. Flexibility is increased. It maximizes home security as it can detect fires, and also burglary is avoided if you use ultrasonic distance sensor at the door. Remote control of home appliances in case of PIR sensors, the efficiency is increased. Improved home functionality and home management insights are definitely increased. Hence, the home automation system is successfully implemented. Thank you.